a small factory, a farm, a rural clinic, a business compound with no reliable grid connection. What does it take to actually power an operation? Like that, completely off-grid. This is a 30 kVA, 60 kilowatt hybrid energy storage system from China, industrial and commercial grade. And it's the most powerful system in this entire series. Let's break down what it actually does. This system delivers 30 kVA of continuous power output paired with 60 kV of LiFePO for battery storage, 6 times the capacity of a standard home system. It's a high-voltage architecture, which means it's engineered for efficiency at commercial power loads, not just household appliances. Despite the massive capacity, the unit is described as compact, designed to fit in a dedicated equipment room or container, not requiring a full warehouse of space like older industrial battery banks. This is a true hybrid system capable of running fully off-grid, supplementing grid power during peak hours or operating as backup during outages. This system is built for small to mid-size commercial operations, workshops, small manufacturing facilities, agricultural operations with irrigation and processing equipment, rural clinics and schools, and remote business compounds with no stable grid access. It's also a strong fit for businesses looking to dramatically cut commercial electricity costs by storing power during low rate hours and using it during expensive peak demand periods at 60 kilowatt hours. This system can realistically support the daily operations of a small business, running machinery, refrigeration, lighting, and office equipment simultaneously. Pricing for a system at this scale typically ranges from $12,000 to $18,000 imported, depending on configuration and inverter specifications. A comparable commercial battery installation from major Western or established brands commonly costs $45,000 to $65,000. Fully installed, that's a savings of roughly 70% for a business currently paying $1,500 to $3,000 per month in commercial electricity costs, or running expensive diesel generators for backup power. This system can deliver a full return on investment within 2 to 4 years, then operates at near zero energy costs for the next decade or more. This is serious commercial infrastructure, not a weekend installation project. You will need a qualified electrical engineer to design the integration with your existing power systems, proper site preparation, including ventilation and fire safety compliance, and likely local utility coordination. If you plan to operate in a hybrid grid-tied mode, import, logistics for equipment this size typically require a freight forwarder and customs broker familiar with industrial electrical equipment, not simple parcel shipping. Budget realistically for installation costs on top of the import price commercial. Installations at this scale often at $3,000 to $8,000 in labor and integration. To import this system, search 30 kVA 60 kilowatt hours, high voltage commercial, hybrid, LiFePO. For energy, storage on Alibaba or medinchina.com, and work specifically with suppliers experienced in commercial export documentation. Requests full technical specifications, a recent factory audit or inspection report, and references from previous commercial buyers, if possible. Equipment at this investment level deserves thorough due diligence. Engage a local electrical engineer early in the process before finalizing your order to confirm the system will integrate properly with your specific operation. This is the largest, most serious system in our 6-part series, but for the right business. It represents true energy independence and dramatic long-term cost savings that completes our full battery storage series, from small portable units to full commercial systems. If this series helped you understand your options, subscribe for more deep dives into business machines from China every week.